Undoubtedly, making money online is a great way to earn an extra income along with your full-time job. But it's not just about finding a job you love and sticking with it for years on end. There are plenty of other ways to make money online that don't require any special skills or experience. One popular option is answering questions online. There are many sites that offer this opportunity where you can earn money by answering questions. But because of this huge internet world, there are many scam sites and sites that will pay you very less for the amount of work you are going to do. So to help you find the right websites and opportunities to make money online by answering questions and surveys, here I made this video for you. Would you like to know is it possible to make money by answering questions? My answer is yes. It is possible to earn money answering questions. There are many legit websites that pay you money just to answer questions and fill out surveys. Let me tell you how it works. These sites are usually approached by large companies and brands to gather data from users like what color they love, how they love to spend their time, etc. This data helps big brands to improve their products and services. They will get to know more about what people are looking for, what are their problems, etc. That's why they spend thousands of dollars just to grab the data from the audience in the form of questions and surveys. The survey sites put all these questions in the form of surveys, and whenever people complete these surveys, the site gets a reward from the brand, and then the site will cut their commission and provide you the rest of the amount. So basically, these websites are the middleman between you and the brands. So answering questions and doing surveys is a legit side hustle, and it can earn you a good side income. If you are looking for legit websites that will pay you money for answering questions, then this video is for you. There are several websites that will pay you to complete simple surveys. Sites like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars offer opportunities that allow you to answer questions and earn points, which can then be used to purchase rewards such as gift cards, merchandise, and PayPal money. You don't need a website or any prior experience to start earning money online this way. Simply sign up and get started. So here are 7 websites to earn money by answering questions. 1. Inbox Dollars, my favorite. Inbox Dollars is a reputable and well-known website that has been around for 20 years. Paid out $70 million to its members so far, Inbox Dollars is a great way to make some extra cash and get paid quickly. Inbox Dollars offers a variety of ways to make money, including completing surveys and answering questions online. The surveys come directly from big companies like Netflix, Amazon, Walmart, etc. Different surveys will pay different amounts based on the company and the time took to complete it. You can complete daily surveys and start earning money. Once you have some money in your account, you can redeem it for gift cards to Amazon, Home Depot, Target, or request cash in your PayPal account. You will get an instant $5 sign-up bonus added to your account. 2. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular ways to make money online. The website allows users to do things like answer questions, take surveys, watch videos, and more. In total, Swagbucks has paid out $549 million to its users. And as you can imagine, there are plenty of people who want to use Swagbucks to make some extra money. So, how does it work? Basically, you earn points by doing things like taking surveys or watching videos. Once you have enough points, you can then redeem them for gift cards and PayPal cash. You will get $5 as a free sign-up bonus. The Trustpilot ratings for Swagbucks is 4.3 out of 5, which clearly shows that this website is legit and people are making decent money from here. 3. Branded surveys. Branded Surveys is an online market research platform that offers different companies the opportunity to post surveys for common people to collect data from them. This will help the companies to gather relevant information and to improve their products, do market research, and optimize their products according to the data provided by people. In return, users will points for gift cards and PayPal. What's more, the company offers a wide variety of surveys that cover a variety of topics. As a consumer, you can be sure that you're getting valuable information from branded surveys. So why not sign up today? 4. Opinion Outpost. Opinion Outpost is a market research panel that pays its users for completing small and easy surveys. Opinion Outpost has a variety of different companies that offer surveys to complete. Each offer is different from the other and will pay differently. This helps companies to better understand what their users need so that they can create better products and services for them. And this means for you is that you can get paid to answer questions about the products and services that you use on a daily basis. You can earn points for participating in surveys, which you can then use to redeem rewards such as gift cards for Amazon, Visa, or PayPal Cash. Opinion Outpost is a great way to get paid for answering questions. 5. Pinecone Research. The invite-only platform allows users to earn money by providing their views, opinions, and experiences. It is available nationwide, but you'll need to have an invite code in order to join the site. Because only selected people can join this website, this is one of the highest-paying survey sites of all. The company has a large user base that ranges from college students to retirees. In addition to earning money, Pinecone Research provides users with the opportunity to learn about new products and services. 6. LifePoints. LifePoints is an online platform that aims to provide a community for survey takers. The community was founded to establish relationships with like-minded people who want to help companies to improve their products and services through surveys. When you take a survey, your account will be credited with LifePoints or LPs. When you have enough LPs in your account, you can withdraw them for Amazon gift cards or PayPal Cash. When you create a new account, you will be provided with 10 ALPs in your account as a free bonus. 7. YouGov. YouGov is a British-based platform that allows people to take surveys on a variety of different topics, including politics, public affairs, brands, and products. Users can sign up for free, and once they have registered an account, they can start taking surveys on the various topics that interest them. Each survey takes only a few minutes to complete, and you will be rewarded with points instantly after completing the survey. These points can redeem into gift cards and PayPal Cash. YouGov is a great way to get involved in the world of online polling, and it's also an excellent way to make some extra money while watching Netflix at home. If you're interested in getting started with YouGov, then be sure to check out their website today. So, there you have it. Answering questions in spare time can be an easy side hustle. There are plenty of ways to make money in your spare time, and with the internet at our fingertips, it's easier than ever to get started. In this list, we have discussed 7 legit websites that pay you for taking surveys online. Surveys can be quick and easy ways to make some extra money, and they're a great way to learn about products and services that might interest you. Plus, survey companies will give you cash or other rewards for completing their surveys. So there's no reason not to take one every once in a while. If you're looking to maximize your earnings through surveys, I recommend you create an account on multiple platforms so that you can take more surveys. Survey companies typically pay you between $0 and 50 cents to $25 per survey, which is not bad at all. There are a few things to keep in mind before starting out as a survey respondent or online question answerer. First, make sure that the company you're working with is reputable. There are many scam sites out there that will ask you to complete surveys for them without giving you any money whatsoever. Second, always read the instructions carefully before beginning a survey, as there is no reason to complete a 1-hour survey for $2. So start helping these companies today by taking surveys and answering questions and build an easy side income for yourself and your family. That's all for now. Do you find this video interesting? If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.